So hello everyone, today we are going to learn the argument of the complex number in this chapter. Got it? Now to understand this, let's take a complex number z. Z is equals to, let's suppose z is x plus of iota y. X plus iota y. Now take Argand plane. In this Argand plane, if I want to represent this complex number z, suppose this complex number z is here. Complex number z is here with the coordinates x comma y. Now when I will join this complex number z with the origin, we'll get a line. Got it? And the angle made by this line with positive direction of x-axis. This is the positive direction of x-axis. From here we'll start measuring. From the positive direction of x-axis, we'll measure in anti-clockwise direction. This angle is known as theta. This angle I'll assume as theta. Got it? This theta only is known as my argument of the complex number. What is the argument of the complex number? It is the angle made by the complex number and the origin joining line with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. This is my argument of the complex number. So argument of a complex number represents an angle. Is an angle. Got it? Now how to find the value of this angle? So if I will drop a perpendicular from this z point to x-axis, this distance is equals to y. Similarly, this distance is equals to the x coordinate, which is x. Got it? So if I take tan theta in this triangle, I will get tan theta is equals to y upon x. Got it? So from here, what is the value of theta? The value of theta is tan inverse of y by x. This only is known as my argument of complex number z. So the argument of complex number z represents the angle made with x-axis. Got it? Now, angle we got. Now tell me this magnitude, the length of this line. The length of this line, OZ line. So the length of OZ line, we studied earlier that this is equals to modulus. Modulus, how to find modulus? Under root of real part square plus imaginary part square. This only is known as mod of z, modulus of z. Got it? We got a basic idea of argument. Now, this angle can be measured in different ways, right? So the argument. So what we will learn now, what are the different types of argument? So there are mainly three types of argument. If I'll say argument of a complex number is denoted by arg of z. Got it? Now this argument of complex number, there are three types of argument they can ask you in question. The first one is principal argument. The first one is principal argument. This principal argument only is known as amplitude. Amplitude of a complex number. So what is amplitude of a complex number? Amplitude of a complex number and principal argument of the complex number are same. Now, if in question they didn't mention what type of argument they're asking, so automatically or by default you will assume that they're asking principal argument or they're asking amplitude. Got it? Any doubt? So by default we'll calculate always the principal argument or the amplitude. Both are same. So how it is represented? It is represented by amp of z, amplitude of z. Got it? Amplitude of a z is represented by amplitude of z. Now here we will give the theta measure from minus pi to pi. We will measure theta from minus 180 degree, which is minus pi to pi. Minus pi is open and plus pi is closed. Got it? So we'll give theta value in between this only. This is by definition, you have to learn this. Suppose if I'll make a complex plane, where is this angle minus pi will lie? Minus pi means in clockwise direction we will measure from here to here. It will cover the fourth quadrant and third quadrant from minus pi to pi. Pi means 0 to 180 degree. Got it? And this line is 180 degree, right? This line we can write as minus 180 degree also and plus 180 degree also. That's why we included only plus 180 degree. We excluded minus 180 degree to avoid repetition. Understood? So here whenever they are asking principal argument, you have to give answer from minus 180 degree to plus 180 degree. Minus 180 degree is excluded and plus 180 degree is included. Got it? Now next is general argument. They might ask general value of argument. This was the first time. They might ask general value of argument. General argument. Whenever they are asking general argument, at that time you have to find the principal argument. You have to find the value of theta, principal argument or amplitude, plus 2n pi. You have to add 2n pi. Why this 2n pi? Actually, this will include all the repetitions. Suppose for some kind of complex number we got principal argument as 30 degree. So next 390 degree is also included, and so on. 2n pi means what? We'll keep n as 1, we'll get 2 pi, n as 2, 4 pi. 2 pi means 1 complete rotation. 4 pi means 2 complete rotation. Got it? So it will to include all the values we will get, including all the repetitions. It's like a general angle, which we used to study in trigonometry. Got it? Now next, the third case they can ask is least positive argument. Least positive argument. Whenever they are asking least positive argument, that time you have to give answer. Just theta you have to tell from 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. 0 excluded, 2 pi included. Why 0 excluded? Because 0 is not positive. They said, tell me the least positive value of argument. The least positive value of argument, you will give the answer from 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi means you will measure in anti-clockwise direction. First quadrant 0 to 90, 90 to 180, second quadrant 180 to 270, third quadrant 270 to 360, fourth quadrant. Understood? And this line is 0 degree also, or this line is 360 degree also. Understood? So we have taken 360 degree. We excluded 0 degree. So whenever they are asking positive argument, we have to give the answer from 0 to 2 pi. Got it? So we studied the fourth thing. Whenever they are asking principal argument, or if they are asking amplitude, both are same. We have to give answer from 180 degree to minus 180 degree to plus 180 degree. Minus 180 degree excluded, plus 180 degree included. Whenever they are asking general argument, we will find the amplitude of principal argument, and then we will add 2n pi factor. Got it? And that n value can be any natural number. N here is any natural number. Now next, if, or you can write n here is any integer also. Now least positive argument, whenever they are asking least positive argument is from 0 to 360 degree, you have to give answer. 0 excluded, 360 degree included. Got it? Now next we will see some examples, and we'll try to find all these three arguments in that example. Got it? We'll solve some examples so that we get enough practice how to find the argument. Let's suppose the first question. First question they have given 1 plus 3 iota. So tell me 1 plus 3 iota lies in which quadrant? It lies in first quadrant, right? It lies in first quadrant. So if I will draw a complex plane where this complex number lies 1 plus 3 iota, 1 plus 3 iota will lie somewhere 1 comma root 3. Now this angle is known as my argument. Tell me what is this angle? This angle, if you calculate, it will be tan inverse root 3 by 1. Tan inverse root 3 by 1 means pi by 3. So what is the amplitude? Amplitude is pi by 3. What is the general argument? For general argument, in amplitude only we have to add 2n pi. So pi by 3 plus 2n pi. Now least positive argument, in this we have to give answer from 0 to 360 degree. So this is already in 0 to 360 degree. So in this case, least positive argument and amplitude are same. Got it? Now next, we'll solve this example. Minus 1 plus iota. Tell me minus 1 plus iota is in which quadrant? The first step to find argument is we'll identify the quadrant. So minus 1 plus iota is in which quadrant? It is in second quadrant, right? Here I am having my complex number z, which is -1, comma 1 in second quadrant. This is in second quadrant. Now, what is the amplitude? Amplitude means this angle measured from positive direction of x-axis and anti-clockwise direction. This angle we have to tell. Now, tell me what is this angle? So this angle is 180 degree minus 45 degree, right? This one is 45 degree. So this is 180 degree, which is pi minus pi by 4, which is 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. So here what is the amplitude? Amplitude is 3 pi by 4. What is the general argument? General argument is nothing but 3 pi by 4 plus 2n pi. Now what is least positive argument? Here if you'll see 3 pi by 4 is already in 0 to 360 degree range, right? So here the same will come 3 pi by 4. Understood? Now next example number 3. Now tell me first it lies in which quadrant? Minus root 3 minus iota lies in which quadrant? Both are negative, right? So it lies in quadrant 3. Lies in quadrant 3. Now quadrant 3 means it is like this, somewhere here. Complex number lies here, z, which is minus root 3 comma minus 1. Now what is amplitude? Amplitude means we have to give answer from minus pi to pi. Minus pi open, pi closed. Now tell me, if I'll take this angle, it will be greater than pi, right? So in this case, we will take this angle. This angle I will take as theta. Understood? This only is my principal argument or amplitude. So what is this angle? Can you tell? This angle is how much? This angle is tan inverse 1 by root 3. This angle is pi by 6. This angle is pi by 6. Got it? So what is this angle? This angle is pi minus pi plus pi by 6. Got it? This angle will be minus pi plus pi by 6. Got it? Which is minus 5 pi by 6. We have to calculate this angle. So here amplitude is minus 5 pi by 6. What is general argument? General argument is nothing but in this we have to add 2n pi. So minus 5 pi by 6 plus 2n pi. Now next, what is least positive argument? See, this one in this case is not positive, right? So now we'll find the answer, which is in 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. 0 open, 2 pi closed. So in this case, we have to take this angle. We have to find the measure of this angle. What is the measure of this angle? This angle measure is pi plus pi by 6, which is 7 pi by 6. Got it? Now next. Now come to example number 4. We'll see this complex number 2 plus 3 root 3 is real part, minus iota is imaginary part. So if we will plot this complex number in Argand plane or complex plane, this we will get in which quadrant? We'll get this in quadrant 4, right? So here I'll plot. So I'll get this complex number here. So here is it. Got it? What is the coordinates of this z? 2 plus root 3 comma minus 1. Now what is this angle? This angle value will be, this angle value theta will be equal to tan inverse of, what is this value and value of this angle? The value of this angle will be equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3. So this tan inverse of 1 upon 2 plus root 3 is equals to 15 degree. 1 upon 2 plus root 3 is nothing but 15 degree. Got it? So what is the amplitude? Amplitude is in, this is down, right? So this will be negative. So minus pi by 12. What is the general amplitude? 15 degrees equals to pi by 12. Now, what is general argument? General argument is nothing but amplitude, which is minus pi by 12 plus 2n pi. Got it? Now, least positive argument means we have to give answer from 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 360. So we will take this angle, this complete angle. Now tell me what is this complete angle value? This complete angle is nothing but 2 pi minus pi by 12. pi by 12. So what is 2 pi minus pi by 12? Pi by 12. So this will be 24 minus pi, 24 pi minus pi, which is 23 pi by 12. Got it. Next, come to next question. Example 5. See, if you will see, this is a purely imaginary complex number, right? Z is equals to 2 iota. This is a purely imaginary complex number. So where this complex number will lie? This complex number will lie on the imaginary axis. On imaginary axis. So this complex number will lie here. 2 iota will be somewhere here, which is 0 comma 2. Got it? So what is the amplitude? Amplitude of this complex number is 90 degree. So amplitude of this complex number is simple, 90 degree. What is the general argument? General argument is amplitude plus 2n pi. What is the least positive argument? The least positive argument will be, as this is positive, so it will be same. The pi by 2 is in that range only, right? 0 to 360 degree. 90 degrees in that range only, 0 to 360 degree. So in this case, amplitude and least positive argument are same. Got it? Now next, this one 4 plus 0 iota means this is purely real complex number. Purely real means it will lie on the real axis. On the real axis. Real axis means x-axis. So it will lie somewhere here. 4 comma 0. Now what is the amplitude of this complex number? Amplitude means we have to give answer from minus 90 to plus 90. Sorry, minus 180 degree to plus 180 degree, right? So in what is the angle for this complex number with x-axis? The angle is 0 degree. So here we'll get 0 radian. Understood? What is the general argument? General argument is 0 plus 2n pi. Now least positive argument. Least positive argument means we have to give answer from 0 to 2 pi. 0 excluded, 2 pi included. So this angle will not write 0 because 0 is not a positive number, right? So we have to give positive angle, which will be equal to this complete angle. This complete angle, which is 2 pi. So the least positive argument value for this complex number or for any positive purely real complex number will be equal to 2 pi. Understood? Any doubt? Hope you enjoyed. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.